Today, we embark on a journey of personal development and self-discovery, guided by the wisdom of one of the greatest philosophers and motivational speakers of our time, Jim Rohn. We gather here to explore the profound insights found within the pages of his timeless masterpiece, The Art of Exceptional Living. In the moments ahead, we will delve into the key takeaways from this extraordinary work, discovering the fundamental principles that can empower us to live lives of purpose, success, and fulfillment. From personal responsibility to the power of positive association, we will explore the foundational concepts that lay the groundwork for exceptional living. But that's just the beginning. As we continue our exploration, we will also uncover those hidden treasures, those concepts that often elude us on the first reading but hold the potential to ignite profound transformation in our lives. These are the subtle yet profoundly impactful ideas that Jim Rohn has masterfully woven into his teachings, waiting for us to uncover their true significance. Prepare to embark on a journey of personal growth and enlightenment. Together we will unlock the secrets to exceptional living, and by the end of our time together, I'm confident you will walk away with a deeper understanding of how to craft a life that truly stands out. The Art of Exceptional Living by Jim Rohn is a treasure trove of wisdom that can guide us towards a life filled with purpose, success, and fulfillment. Jim Rohn, a renowned motivational speaker and philosopher, left behind a legacy of personal development teachings, and The Art of Exceptional Living is a testament to his profound insights. Here are some of the key takeaways from this inspirational work. Number 1 is take responsibility for your life. Rohn emphasizes that to achieve exceptional living, we must take full responsibility for our lives. This means owning our actions, decisions, and outcomes. By doing so, we gain control over our destiny and can steer our lives in the direction we desire. Number 2, set clear goals. Without clear goals, we drift aimlessly through life. Rohn encourages us to set specific, measurable, and achievable goals. These goals act as a roadmap guiding us towards our dreams and aspirations. Number 3, personal development is key. Rohn emphasizes that for us to achieve exceptional living, we must invest in ourselves through continuous personal development. This includes reading, learning, and growing in all aspects of our lives, from our character to our skills and knowledge. Number 4, cultivate a positive attitude. A positive attitude is a cornerstone of success. Rohn encourages us to maintain a positive outlook on life, regardless of our circumstances. This mindset can help us overcome challenges and setbacks. Number 5, the power of association. Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." He underscores the importance of surrounding ourselves with positive and inspirational individuals who can help us grow and achieve our goals. Number 6, take action. Knowledge and goals are meaningless without action. Rohn emphasizes that taking consistent, purposeful action is essential for exceptional living. Procrastination and inaction are the enemies of progress. Number 7, financial independence. Achieving financial independence is a critical aspect of exceptional living. Rohn advocates for prudent financial management, saving and investing wisely to secure a comfortable future. Number 8, value time. Time is our most precious resource, and once it's gone, we can never get it back. Rohn urges us to use our time wisely, focusing on activities that align with our goals and values. Number 9, give back. Exceptional living is not just about personal success, but also about contributing to the well-being of others. Rohn encourages us to give back to our communities and make a positive impact on the world. Number 10, embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Instead of fearing failure, Rohn teaches us to view it as a valuable teacher. Failure provides lessons and insights that can lead us to greater success if we are willing to learn from our mistakes. While the key takeaways that we just mentioned are foundational to the teachings of Jim Rohn, there are some concepts in the art of exceptional living that may be easily overlooked on the first read, but are incredibly profound and worth delving into. Hidden gem number 1 is the seasons of life. Rohn introduces the idea that life has seasons, much like the changing seasons of nature. Sometimes we may be in a season of sowing where we invest time and effort into our goals, while other times we may be in a season of reaping where we enjoy the rewards of our efforts. Recognizing these seasons can bring clarity to our life's journey. Hidden gem number 2, the law of averages. Rohn discusses the law of averages, which suggests that over time the law of mathematics will prevail. He encourages us to make consistent efforts towards our goals, understanding that not every endeavor will yield immediate results. This concept reminds us that persistence and patience are key components of exceptional living. Hidden gem number 3, philosophy of the ant. In one of his stories, Rohn discusses the industriousness of ants and how they meticulously prepare for the future by storing food during the summer months. This story serves as a metaphor for the importance of planning and preparation in our lives. It underscores the need to be proactive rather than reactive in managing our affairs. Hidden gem number 4, the power of sowing and reaping. Rohn emphasizes the importance of giving, both in terms of time and resources. He believes that by sowing seeds of generosity, we can create a cycle of abundance in our lives. This concept teaches us that the more we give, the more we receive in return. Hidden gem number 5, the art of saying no. Learning to say no to distractions, negative influences, and unproductive commitments is crucial for exceptional living. Rohn advises us to be discerning about how we spend our time and energy, as it directly impacts our success. Hidden gem number 6, the day that turns your life around. Rohn discusses the transformative power of a single decision, often referred to as the day that turns your life around. This concept highlights that a single choice made with determination and commitment can alter the course of our lives for the better. Hidden gem number 7, the law of use. Rohn introduces the law of use, which states that if you don't use it, you lose it. This principle underscores the importance of continually developing and honing our skills and talents. It reminds us that growth and progress come through consistent practice and application. The Art of Exceptional Living by Jim Rohn is a rich source of wisdom filled with concepts and insights that may require multiple readings to fully appreciate. These often overlooked gems in the book can be the catalyst for profound personal growth and transformation. As you revisit this remarkable work, keep an open mind and be prepared to uncover even more treasures that can guide you on your journey towards a life of exceptional living. Thank you once again for stopping by. Subscribe if you like this content, and we'll see you in the next one.